Quiet on set.
Take two.
Hi, Science Sisters. I'm Alia.
And I'm Emma, and today we will be making photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So we're going to start off with cellular respiration.
So
to make your cellular respiration, you need to have food, which gets broken down into glucose.
And then we also need oxygen.
So we'll mix that together. And now we have carbon dioxide
and water.
So those are the products that came from the reactants, food and oxygen.
So, from this chemical reaction, the cells in your body get energy and building materials. Okay. Now we're going to be doing a light reaction of photosynthesis.
So for that we need our water
And our carbon dioxide.
and sunlight.
Oh, and sunlight.
So we put those in the bowl and we can mix it up. Through this process, the light energy gets turned into chemical energy.
And this is all happening in the chloroplast.
So from that we get oxygen as a byproduct for us to all breathe, and food for the plant. The oxygen goes into the air. Dark reactions, we just have water.
And carbon dioxide.
Mix those together. We don't use sunlight this time because it's in the dark, so then we still would get oxygen for the air and food for the plant to eat. So the light reaction is what gives the plant its green color, but in dark reactions it will most likely be yellow.
Thank you guys so much for watching our science channel. Okay, bye.
So
Yeah, you do.
okay, so the intro could be that I'm Emma and Alia.
Okay.
Today we'll
He's like, wait, give me a song.
marry her.
Oh, wait. New single coming out next week on iTunes. Oh, that's cute. This is Leah.
And this is Sunny. Oh no, don't fight in the air. That would be a bad idea.
We don't condone fighting in the air.
Well,
What gives the plant its green color is the sunlight that's reacting with the chloroplast.
no, in the chloroplast.
In the
Okay.
chloroplast.
This is the product of the light reaction. See, it's all green. And then this is the product of a dark reaction because it's not fully green.
Wow.